The wait is over. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the 15 Ultra, and it's nothing short of a powerhouse. This latest flagship refines everything that made its predecessor a success, with top-tier performance, a cutting-edge camera system, and a sleek yet rugged design. The event in China was just the beginning, as the global launch followed at MWC in Barcelona, bringing this premium device to the world stage. At the heart of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering up to 45% better performance and 52% more power efficiency. Paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and storage options of up to 1TB UFS 4.1, this phone is built for speed. Keeping things cool is the dual-channel Ice Loop 3D cooling system, running on Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15. The software experience is smooth and optimized for the latest AI-powered enhancements. The display is nothing short of stunning. A 6.73-inch WQHD plus LTPO AMOLED panel with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate ensures fluid visuals. TUV Rhineland certifications for low blue light and anti-flicker make it comfortable for extended use. But above all, it's the camera where Xiaomi has gone all out. The quad-camera Leica setup boasts a 50-megapixel wide-angle main sensor, utilizing Sony's 1-inch LYT 900 sensor with a fixed f1.63 aperture for impeccable low-light shots. Then there's the 50-megapixel 70mm floating telephoto lens with 10cm macro capability, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide with a 115-degree field of view, and the showstopper, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 100mm optical zoom. A 32-megapixel front-facing camera with improved sharpness and natural color reproduction. Powering all this innovation is a 5,410 mAh high-capacity battery with cutting-edge silicon carbide composition with 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless hypercharge support, while 18-watt reverse wireless charging ensures you can power up accessories on the go. Xiaomi also claims a solid 4-year battery health lifespan. In terms of design, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra exudes sophistication, available in black, white, and a special silver chrome edition. Each model features Xiaomi's Shield Glass 2.0, which is 16 times more drop-resistant. Xiaomi has packed in some impressive AI-powered tools, from background removal and image enhancement to content and voice recognition via Google. Gemini Nano 2. Features like Google's Circle to Search make information retrieval seamless, and the new productivity assistant optimizes workflow like never before. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra launched at €1,500 in Europe, positioning it as a premium contender in the flagship market.